welcome back. In this video, I'm going to showcase you how to read JSON file, JSON URL REST via REST API. Okay, this is the REQ RES, and this URL contains this JSON database. I want to read this data with help of Python. Okay, so this is my related to the Python series. We have completed basic concepts in the Python, so you can go ahead and check the list, guys. Okay, I will give the in the description also. And this video is about how to utilize the Python for the data engineering. This is like sample small project, not a big project. Is like it is helps to understand the how to call the REST API with help of Python. And guys, this is the URL which I am using. In this URL, when I click on this one, it is giving the JSON data. So I just use the JSON viewer. So here, and it contain like page 2, page 16, and is the database which we have. Okay, for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, like this we have the another JSON object contain ID, name, first name, last name. These are the items. Okay, it contains. Suppose I want to read this data by using Python. So guys, I want to already this code is there. Okay, I want to explain this code complete end to end. So for this requirement, I'm using this import request package. Okay, this package will help to you, certain variables and that methods we are going to call with help of like request.get URL method. That URL will help to you get the data from this HTTP request. Okay, REST API URL. So right now I'm just executing this import package to the file. Now this is the URL. Okay, URL equal to HTTP, and this is the variable, and this variable it is storing this REST API URL. Suppose I want to call this URL with help of GET request method. So request.get URL, and this URL is getting from the request guys, and this output can be stored in, whatever we are getting, I'm storing inside this variable. Again, I want to check the status whether it is properly giving or not. So I will take the status message also. Now I'm executing this code to vacuum file, now print response. So it's 200. Okay, 200 means response is we are getting the data. So data equal to response.json. Okay, I'm creating assuming JSON format. So this is one response.json. I'm using JSON method here. Then again, I'm creating the same variable. Okay, pd.data frame. Okay, I'm using Panda library. I want to use the data frame, right? So pd.data frame data. I'm adding this variable here by passing the list. Okay, I'm just inside the list. I'm using the item. So this is the method, guys. Inside this data frame, I'm using the method and passing the argument. So this is the data. Okay, now I want to execute this code. First, I want to call this now. Same code I have written. Now I want to do the transformation here. So performing transformation like converting email address to login. Suppose whenever you fetch the data, you want to apply some transformation as per ETL. So I'm just storing the, I'm calling this df email, but because the email is coming from here. So this is the email, guys. Okay, email. Okay, so I'm using this email. Okay, this email.string.lower method. So this will be converted to lowercase, guys. Same like I want to apply the filter also. So I have created one variable, and there's a one variable also, guys. Email, it is storing this result. Now I'm calling the data frame.id.is_in246. Okay, now let me print this one. Okay, I want to see the output at df, print df filter. I'm using this one. Okay, I have not executed this. Now I'm executing. So this is the ID, email, first name, last name. So I'm just printing this one. Okay. Now I want to apply the creating new column with fill name. I'm applying the concatenation. So I'm creating one variable, and df first name plus last name. So if you see this one below example, can be executed this one again. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 it is coming, and we are concatenating the first name and last name. Okay. Suppose guys, whatever I got the data, right, I want to display, right, this one responded, right. So let me go ahead and display the data also. Suppose I want to display the data for this, whatever I got the data, right, JSON that I want to display. I'm selecting this one, I'm adding this one line. Now, mint, yes. See, the JSON data, whatever it is storing this data frame, data variable again, this data frame I'm calling here inside this method. Then I'm storing in one variable and I'm displaying this data with help of print. So like this, it is automatically passed the database. So whatever I got the data within proper format. Then you can write this data into file also after doing some transformation. I have showcased the transformation. Okay. So like this, if you want to explore more, right? So you can Google it, or you can you can go official site related to the data engineer. Will get a bunch of things. Okay, I'm just created this example. By doing some R&D, and write this Python data engineering reading a JSON. This is one sample project, which is I'm extracting the data, and as well as I have applied some transformation. Okay, thank you guys.